श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
Shirdi, a place where every year millions of people visit to seek the blessings of Sai Baba, irrespective of their religion and faiths. Today, Shirdi, located in the Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra, is one of the most prevalent pilgrimage destinations in India. Now, after darshan of Sai Baba, the devotees have another must-visit destination at Shirdi, presenting Sai Tirtha, India's first devotional theme park, dedicated to the life of secular saint Sai Baba.
आस न कोई प्यास न कोई, आस न कोई प्यास न कोई।
A mega theme park spread over 7 acres of land, Sai Tirtha will amaze, enthrall and enrich the visitors with never before larger than life experiences. Supporting the Make in India initiative of the Honorable Prime Minister, Sai Tirtha is the brainchild of the renowned Malpani Group of Industries. For the first time in India, with a unique combination of technology and entertainment, Sai Tirtha is a seamless blend of virtual and real-life experience. 4 spectacular attractions await to create an unforgettable experience for the visitor. Tirtha Yatra, a mesmerizing ride that takes you through India's ancient temples located across the nation. Spread across 40,000 square feet, this 12-minute dark ride takes you on a journey through the mountains of Kedarnath in the north to the Meenakshi Mandir in the south. And from Dwarka in the west to Puri in the east. An overwhelming experience, Tirtha Yatra can be described as a timeless pilgrimage across cultures, terrains and temples. The pilgrimage takes you through the diverse cultures and traditional practices in India. Ramayana, the greatest epic in Indian mythology. Join Hanuman on his mission Lanka. This is India's biggest 5D attraction. Hold your breath as he battles the wind, water and fire. With exceptional filmmaking techniques and multi-dimensional simulation, embark on this thrilling 26-minute ride film and get a first-hand experience of the fury of Lanka Dahan. Up next, enjoy the giant screen experience as you witness Sabka Malik Ek.
अब ये बारिश नहीं चलेगी। बुलाओ सबको। साई।
बालसा शामा तात्या बुलाओ सबको, कह दो आज द्वारका माई में लक्ष्मी पूजा है।
A 60-minute biographical feature portraying the life of Sai Baba, shown on a massive 36 feet by 72 feet screen, probably the first of its kind in India.
दिए जल रहे हैं बाबा। बाबा, हमने भी दीपावली मनाई। आपने पानी से दिए जलाए। हर तरफ दिए जल रहे हैं बाबा।
साईं बाबा, साईं बाबा, साईं बाबा, साईं मेरे साईं, मेरे साईं, साईं मेरे साईं.
Imagine meeting Sai Baba himself in flesh and blood, in an authentic 100-year-old Dwarka Mai setting. Experience India's first humanoid show, which unfolds a dreamlike experience of meeting and being blessed by Sai Baba himself.
जब भी यहाँ कोई सच्चे मन से आता है तो उससे मिलने में जरूर आता हूं। जिस मन में श्रद्धा और सबूरी है उसके बुलाने पर तो साई को आना ही पड़ेगा।
A surreal 10-minute experience brought to life using advanced animatronics and robotics. Dwarka Mai is a divine experience, nothing short of a miracle.
अल्लाह मालिक।
मन की पीड़ा तू ही जाने.
A mega devotional theme park dedicated to the life of Sai Baba. Sai Tirtha is the first of its kind in India. With a winning combination of technology, entertainment and devotion, this is an experience which can't be missed.
तुझ में काशी, तुझ में काबा, तीरथ सारे तुम हो बाबा, तुझ में ही दुनिया समाई.
So the next time you plan a trip to Shirdi, be assured of one more destination lined up after Sai Baba's darshan. Sai Tirtha, the mega religious theme park.